In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete cookies for a specific website in Google Chrome. So this can be really useful if you want to go and delete your browsing history as well as any personal preferences to a particular website. Now to do this, we can go and click on the three horizontal dots in our Google Chrome browser and then scroll all the way down and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. You can then scroll down and click on Site Settings. And then underneath Recent Activity, click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. And what you'll be able to see is all of these different cookies saved for each of these websites. Now you can use the search box at the top here if there's one particular website that you want to go and delete. And to delete the data, just click on the trash icon like so, and then you can press delete to delete the cookies for this one particular website. Now, of course, if you did want to delete all of your cookies, then you can just press delete all data, but just remember that this will also delete your preferences to that website, so you'll be required to sign back in to the website you're deleting the data for. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.